YouTube channel. So today, guys, I will show you how to Photoshop using NCH PhotoPad Vision 5.17. The software is by NCH. Today we are editing a photo, and the first thing we will do is obvious. We have to remove a background. Then I downloaded this image on the internet. So after you downloaded this image, you have to click Control A, click Control C, and go to a blank space and paste option and paste. Go to the image, you click Control A, you click Control C. Then you go to the top of the image, you click, then you paste. Now you want to paste, you click and you paste. So it will appear on the top. So another thing we need to notice is on this image, this is a desk. Click Control D to unselect. This is a desk, and this is the desk, and we want the desk to be on the top of the layer. So what we will do, we will go to select, you click polygon, and you click near the table as far as you can. You click, you move, you click again, you left click, Control D. If you made a mistake, you go click polygon, left click, you move, left click, you move, left click, you move, left click, you move near the table. Then when you're done, you go straight to the top. Then you double click to the left side. Then you click delete. This is what will appear. You click Control A, then you click Control C. Then you go to the image where you pasted the person. Then you click Control V. Then automatically everything will fit perfectly because it's the same image, same size. And this person is this side has a little light, of which we can say this light is the light which put this light on this side. But another thing we have to do, this guy is a little bit bigger. So what we can do, first of all, we have to decrease sharpness to 95%, then we decrease the size. Then another thing we can do, we can go to filters, then you click filters, then you click color boost, because we want to boost everything to fit perfectly. Then that's it. This is how you can Photoshop an image and put yourself anywhere using NCH software. You don't have to go and buy those big expensive software to do simple things. NCH software is one of the best underrated softwares, and this software can do anything. Please guys, check it out, and if you can understand, please let me know on the comment section and tell me what you will love to learn on my next video. And please guys, click the first link on the comment section, because I will play you a song after this video. Please check out the song. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is how you Photoshop on NCH software. Thank you so much.
I'm an Eliante boy now, so I don't need no flash, I don't need no lights, no nothing. If I walk in the darkest room, if it's a small little light coming out the creek, you gonna see it in the diamonds for sure. A year. He was gonna play. He kept that in the boat for a year and really was just like, this gonna be one of the ones I gotta put this shit out.
Run around confusing your girl, guess who she met? Banging beats and making hits up in warming haze. Smoke one and passing a blunt, I just played safe. Keep it Ochi, I'm the realest nigga, don't test me. You can keep your wonder around, I don't care. When I make it, they will start believing in fairy tales. Working and working, studio like an office place. All we ask for is a prayer unto graces. I think I'm ready, Lord, I'm ready. Please take me home, no time for racing.